Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full-length video or it may be a shorts, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. A little late to the game, but better late than never. In today's vlog, I'm going to be sharing with you how my Thanksgiving break went. So I'm a 5th grade teacher, and we were off for the week of Thanksgiving, which was amazing because I got to spend some time with my family. Got to celebrate my niece and nephew's birthday, support my son at his basketball tournament, try some new food, and I even tried a new hairstyle. So let's get right into this Vlogmas and stay tuned for more.
Vic. Let's go, Vic. And one. There we go, Vic. There we go, Vic. Get that back, Vic. There you go. There we go, Vic. Let's go, baby. Oh, I need to get that, huh? Anything else? That's it.
Stay tuned to see how I achieve this look and 2 more. So I absolutely loved how this style came out. Hair blended well with these clip-ins, and these two space buns are super cute. You can also jazz or dress these up with some hair jewels. I didn't do that this time, but you can definitely do that. So now I'm gonna show you two other looks that you can get with these same clip-ins, so keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I am participating in Vlogmas this year, so there will be videos every day. Again, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.